Hello everybody, welcome to an unboxing of SSD. This is not the first time I get an SSD. This is not the first time I buy two of them together. But this is the first time I'm actually, I don't know. Let's just do this. I don't know where I was going with that. Okay, we have two Samsung 850 EVO SSDs. These are not the Pro variety. One of them on the left side is 250 gigabytes and the other is 500 gigabytes. I bought them for my old and only, well, not only now, but my old, but newer, let's say, that Mac Mini from late 2012. Let's see, let's open the 500 one and let's see if there's any difference inside the actual box. I'm guessing not. I don't remember what, oh, okay. Okay. Yes, excellent unboxing as always. Let's see. Oh, what is this? Okay, we have the actual disc. Very nice. You know, one thing that I preferred from the previous series, I think it was the 750, right? Or am I mistaken? Anyway, there was some of them had orange box here, square, instead of the gray one, and I think that looked amazing. Anyway, you can see the downside, no, the underneath side or something. Yeah, well, there's nothing really to see. There is the SATA connection here for connecting to a SATA 3 port cable, and then to the motherboard. Some codes there. What is this? And why is it impossible to remove it? I mean, what is the point of gluing this? I don't know what's going on. Samsung, I don't know what is going on with you. Warranty statement summary and optical disc for some reason. Okay, caution, do not, I assume this is drop. This is do not screw it, or if you do, always use a condom. And this is do not play Zeus on it. Installation guide, okay, I think I can make it, can do it without that. But I do have some experience. And we have the Samsung Solid State one-stop install navigator, manual and software version 4.5. Okay, I don't think there's any reason to open the other one too for this unboxing. I mean, they're the same. There's nothing different here. Quite happy to get them. I use Samsung drives for a few years now. Different, I mean, SATA and PCI Express. And I have to say they are fantastic. I was in the market for two of them, for my, as I said, for my late 2012 Mac Mini. But I did consider getting something cheaper. You could get something the same size, about 10 to 20% cheaper. I even found one terabyte, well, 960 gigabytes of drive at the same price as these two together. But I prefer to go for something more trusted, and I know it's better performing than the others. And also, I got two of them because I'm gonna get higher speed with two of them than if I had one drive in for this specific installation anyway. Yeah. Future just stepped here. After several years, these drives still operate like new. I highly recommend them, even though by now they are all old news. Thank you very much for watching. This was the Samsung 850 EVO VNAD SSD. This was the 500 gigabyte, but the 250 gigabyte, I'm sure it's exactly the same. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.